Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. So we just finished up this beautiful Road Glide ST. So we did this bike for Jason. Jason's the owner of JV Security Systems. We've had a partnership for years. He's done the security cameras in both our shops. So he did them in our Roselle location, our Linden location, does an excellent job. I love the quality of his work. He loves the quality of our work, so it was a no-brainer when it was time to get the audio upgraded on his beautiful bike. The only challenging part about doing the build on the bike, he wanted a good amount of bass, stock bags. He's got the short stock bags, and we were limited. And then to make it a little more complicated, he was going with the off-road LP6 headlights, which makes it more challenging. Get the 800.4 in there. Obviously, we did a lithium battery upgrade, and we were able to dial it in. The fit and finish is exactly what he was looking for. We were happy with the way the bike sounded. He was happy with the bike sounded. We were even able to tuck the bass knob in between the T-bar handlebars, so it's completely hidden out of the way. You can't see it, but you could still easily adjust it and see the clip indicator. So check out the beautiful bike and check out the beautiful build.
Al menos dame un perreíto, amor.
Dime, esto es lo que tú querías. Yo soy fino, esto es trap de galería. Tú eres un charro, Rocky de aquí, una porquería. Yo un campeón, Rocky Marciano, Rocky Balboa, Rocky Balbía. Tengo la ruta, tengo la vía, sí, tengo la vía. Los gastos de noche facturo todo el día. Tanta plata que me gusta que me chapen. Por eso le meto a tetas al pío. Ustedes no saben lo que está en alta mar cuando siento pero que los zapatos te mame el bicho en el cielo. Lo que tira el 500.000 en el putero. Por eso tu opinión me importa cero. Por eso tú estás 101 en el top 100 y yo estoy primero. Ya no son raperos, ahora son pocateros. Más que tú estás cobrando mi barbero. Chingando y viajando en el mundo entero. Ay, bebiendo mucha champaña, nunca estamos secos. Primero llegó Verstappen, después llegó Checo.
Didn't even really wanna go, but if you get me out, you get a show. There's so many bodies on the floor, so baby, we should go and add some more. Are you down, did it down, did it down, did it down, down, down? Down, did it down, did it down, did it down, down, down. Everywhere I look at people's hands, thrown up in the air to help them dance. Come on, baby, catch me if you can. I know you don't have any other plans. Are you down, did it down, did it down, did it down, down, down? Down, did it down, did it down, did it down, down, down? Are you
All your 4 a.m. texts, I reply every time. Tryna get it in like I'm about to miss the deadline. Look, if we connect time and we connect minds, then you tell me what I need to hear.
stars, jumping on a trampoline, flipping in the air. I never land, just float there. As I'm looking up, suddenly the sky erupts. Flames that light the trees, spread to fallen leaves. Now they're right upon me. Wait if I'm on fire. How am I so deep in love when I dream of dying? I never feel so low. I've been having tripping and falling. I've been having dreams.
No me importa lo que de mí se diga. Vive usted su vida, que yo vivo la mía. Que solo es una, disfruta el momento. Que el tiempo se acaba y para atrás no verá. Bebiendo, fumando y jodiendo. Sigo vacilando de party todos los días. Y síguelo.
Are you down, did it down, did it down, did it down, 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 down. Everywhere I look at people's hands, thrown up in the air to help them dance. Come on, baby, catch me if you can. I know you don't have any other plans. Are you down, did it down, did it down, did it down, down, down?